Babies, it's here! You have been chosen to adopt a puppy! They chose us! We are getting a puppy! We are getting a puppy! We are getting a puppy! Oh, look, babies! It's our puppy! He is too cute! What's wrong, Tilly? What is it? What? It says our puppy will be arriving today? Today? But we're not ready yet. We don't have a puppy bed. And we don't have any puppy food. This playroom is not ready for a puppy at all. He's gonna chew all the books. Eat all the shoes! Naughty puppy! And he's gonna break all of our things! Come back here! Maybe we shouldn't get a puppy after all. Please. I don't know what to do. Glow Pixies, help! Oh no, you look a bit sad. Let me help. There, that's better. Pixies, help! Stop, hold on. Looks like your garden's got the right idea. We gotta get moving. We'll help you catch your flowers later, Sienna. Right now, we have to help Charlie. Let's butterfly. Is everything okay? No, our puppy is coming today. And I'm not sure if we should even have a puppy anymore. We don't have anything ready. A puppy is a lot of work. But don't worry, Charlie. We can help. I think all you need is a little practice.
Now every puppy needs a few things to be happy and safe. Isn't that right, Pup?
Ah.
All you need for a happy pup is yummy food, a safe space, with fun toys of their own to play with. They need lots and lots of love and cuddles.
Aww.
And plenty of rest.
Huh? Watch this, babies. That's thoughtful, but I don't need the doctor station yet, Lulu. If at first you don't succeed, keep trying, right? I thought it would be the ball in the goal, not me. Thanks, Tilly. Think I've got it this time. Sammy, now you have to sit still and let your wing heal, okay?
I told you, I'm fine.
Help!
Sienna, Gigi, are you okay?
Ooh. Was it just me, or did that sound like Tilly?
I don't know. I can't seem to hear anything. That cry was definitely Tilly. We better get going.
Sammy, no! Your wing! You need to rest, Sammy. Let me handle this one. Flower-rama!
Charlie, can you hear us?
Gigi, is that you? Well, take it easy, Charlie. We need to make sure that you're not hurt. Dr. Lulu.
Ouchie!
Oh no. Sammy, what's wrong?
Oh, it's no biggie. I just hurt my wing earlier, and it's still a bit sore. Aw, thanks, Lulu. So much better. Go get him, Charlie!
Ouch! If at first you don't succeed, try again.
Now that calls for a
Group hug! Okay, babies. I'm going to my dance class. You be good while I'm away, okay?
Oh, they'll be fine, Charlie. Don't worry.
Bye-bye, babies. Bye, Glow Pixies. Bye-bye. Bye.
Dance party! That's right, babies. Get your dance on. We may be small, but we've got moves to make the biggest party ever. Now do a little dance with us. Babies, clap your hands together. Do a little dance, do a little dance, do a little dance. Uh-oh. Gigi, I shrunk the baby.
What do we do?
Charlie will be back from her ballet class soon.
Don't panic. We'll just turn them back to normal right away. As soon as we find where they've gone.
Babies? Babies! Babies!
They must be here somewhere.
This is bad. Charlie will be back any minute. Babies! Babies!
Oh, Pixies, we're in
gonna panic. Perhaps we need a new plan. You're right. But what?
I don't have any bright ideas. Somebody help!
Whoa! Not now, Gordon. We've got to find the babies. I think Gordon knows where they are. Aww. Gordon was trying to tell us the whole time.
What a good boy. Hi, babies. I'm back.
We better fix this.
Quick! What's going on here?
Nothing? Just a little dance party, right, babies?
Oh no! That's disgusting! That's it. We have to get you babies potty trained starting today. Huh? So this is a potty. From now on, when you need to poop or pee, you have to sit on this. Easy. So you have to go in the potty. Okay, we'll go over it one more time. Yes, that's it. You got it. Oh no, it's not dance time. It's potty time. How am I gonna potty train you? You just don't understand. Come on, Tail. Now's your chance to go potty.
Oh, Sienna, what a truly wonderful tea party.
No, Tilly.
Yes, and the cakes are simply marvelous.
Why, thank you, my fellow fancy pixies. Come on, babies, you can do it. Just use the... Oh, 3 full diapers. Glow pixies, I need your help.
Abandoned ship! Abandoned ship!
What is that smell? Oh. I need your help, Glow Pixies. I'm trying to potty train the babies, but it's just not working.
I'll say.
Smell-proof bubbles. Oh, good thinking, Gigi.
But there's no time to waste. Come on, Glow Pixies. Let's change these diapers. Stand back. This is hazardous material.
So you have to go in the potty. Lily, you did it! You used the potty!
You're doing amazing, sweetie! You go, girl!
Yeah! Go, Tilly! Are you sure you want to leave Eddie's bed on the floor, Lulu? Drop him right now! Ugh. Careful! Careful! This is no use. Gordon just thinks we're playing a game. Almost! Got it! We need help! Glow Pixies!
It sounds like Charlie needs us.
Happy Heart Hurdle! Hey, Charlie, what's the problem?
I think I found the problem.
Gordon's got Eddie. He's Lulu's favorite teddy. But Gordon is too fast to catch, and he thinks everything's a game. Okay, Lulu. This playful pup just needs a timeout. I have a bright idea.
Ooh, new game!
These magic sleep bubbles should help him settle down for a nap.
Mission accomplished!
Ah!
Oh no! We're too late! Wait! I think we can fix this! What do you think?
Eddie! There we go. Now Gordon won't be able to reach him. And Lulu, next time, let's remember not to leave our things on the floor and to tidy them away safely. Forgot the paintbrushes. Be right back. Ah! Ta-da! Ooh. Oh! Whoa! Babies, stop! Those eggs are food, babies, and we do not waste food. I was only gone a minute, and look at you. Oh, come on then. Let's get you cleaned up. There. That's better now, isn't it? Oh, yuck! Look at this place. You babies sure do know how to make a mess. Tidy up time.
Let's get all those little eggs inside that big one, and then we'll be ready for the egg hunt.
On 3. Oh, I just got you cleaned up. 1. This mess is everywhere. 2. Glow pixies, help!
We should really see that coming by now.
Sounds like Charlie needs us. We gotta get out of here. Come on, Glow Pixies. Let's fly.
It's like the eggs and paint have mixed together and turned to glue. Almost. Gotcha! Oh, whoa, whoa! Oh!
I'll have my eggs Sammy side up, please.
This place is a disaster. I wanted to do an Easter egg hunt, but the babies got to the eggs before I could hide them.
Don't worry. I know just how to fix this.
That was amazing, Gigi. I really wish we had more eggs. It would have been fun to do an egg hunt with the babies.
More eggs, huh? Hang on. I've got an idea. Happy Hearts Portal! Gigi, Sienna, get some blindfolds on those babies. You too, Charlie. Okay, let the great egg hunt begin. Grab your baskets and find those eggs.
Tail, no! I could get used to this.